I have a special extra message regarding training over the festive holiday season. On the day after Boxing Day, Peter Jones of Cajun Roo has kindly booked me to teach his excellent club for 2 hours. The subject will be stand-up guards, their strengths and weaknesses. I'm particularly looking forward to teaching this ever-evolving topic and hoping to put to bed a few myths that can circulate in martial arts circles. Now, Peter has very kindly offered to open what was a workshop specifically for his club to the greater community. He's going to stream us via the magic of Zoom across the world. So for the paltry sum of £10 and 2 hours out of your holiday time, you can join in with us in the comfort of your own home. You can pay Peter directly via PayPal to captainintau@hotmail.com or email him to ask for bank details. Cajun Roo members, see your instructor for a special price. The Zoom link will be provided to those booking and paying. So, if you would like to break up the post-Christmas anticlimax, or after Boxing Day fit in some actual boxing, not to mention kickboxing, Muay Thai and stand-up MMA, we'd love to see you there. Check out this episode and my future page for more details of the event. In the meantime, this is Jamie Clubb wishing you all a very Merry Christmas.